Hello and welcome to Crypto Insights AI. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of cryptocurrencies. So, what exactly is a cryptocurrency? At its core, a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by a central authority like a bank or government. Cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain, which allows for secure and transparent record keeping. The blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This means that no single entity has control over the data on the blockchain, making it resistant to tampering and fraud. Some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. These cryptocurrencies have gained significant mainstream adoption and have large market capitalizations. However, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, that have been created since the inception of Bitcoin. One of the main benefits of cryptocurrencies is that they offer a high level of anonymity. Transactions with cryptocurrencies can be made without revealing personal information, making them popular for individuals who value privacy. Cryptocurrencies can be bought and sold on online exchanges, and they can also be used to make purchases at merchants that accept them. However, it's important to note that the value of cryptocurrencies can be volatile and they carry some inherent risks. It's always a good idea to do your own research and due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency. In addition to being used as a form of currency, cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize various industries through the use of smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. DApps are applications that run on a decentralized network and are not controlled by any single entity. Thank you for joining us for this introduction to cryptocurrencies. We hope you now have a better understanding of what they are and how they work. Be sure to check out our future videos for more in-depth discussions on the world of crypto.